with a little smile. You say, how are you in the morning light? I say I'm fine and I feel alright. Maybe I'm tired, maybe not, but I'm fine, it's the spot. I'm fine, don't worry about me. I'm fine, as calm as can be. You ask how are you, I say I'm good too. Then ask you back, what about you? Some days I'm not okay inside, but still I smile and gently hide. Say not bad and keep my tone. I'm fine even when alone. It's more than just a phrase I say, it's how I move through every day. With every how are you, I find a chance to say, hey, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. Hey, I'm good. What about you? Not bad at all. I'm fine, it's what I say. Even when I've had a crazy day. You ask me quick, how are you? I say with love, I'm fine in you. Sing it loud while walking free. I'm fine, it's easy, can't you see? And this gets better every time with music, rhythm, and a rhyme. Learning fast, learning fun. On the train or on the run, like scribe